Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we have the Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X. Xiaomi went with the old Redmi Note 3 build and design. Xiaomi did a good job with the Note 4 and succeed in making the elegant metal chassis more premium than the Note 3. The back of the Note 4X, you will see it looks similar to the Note 3 and the current 5 Plus. The Redmi Note 3 and Redmi Note 4X looks pretty much identical, but for the Redmi Note 4X, it has less rounded edges compared to the Note 3. The Redmi Note 4X comes in 4 colors: black, gold, rose gold, and blue. And I heard there's another color variant and another version. The volume up and down are right smack next to your thumb, as well as the power button, super easy to access and is placed at a nice location. The bottom of the Redmi Note 4X is a standard micro USB 2.0. loudspeaker grill and microphone. The battery life for the Redmi Note 4X are definitely gonna get a full day use. Gaming on the other hand will last you quite long depending on usage thanks to the huge 41 mAh power battery. For normal day-to-day use, it will last you more than a day or two, well, depends on your usage. The lack of fast charging is what could be a deal breaker for some, as the large battery does take a while to charge. The top of the device is a standard audio jack and an air blaster, and there's a secondary microphone for in-call noise cancellation and stereo audio capturing. On the left side here is a SIM tray, and the SIM tray here is a hybrid SIM tray, which you have an option of 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card. Now when you pick up your new Redmi Note 4X, in the box you'll get a 5V 2A USB charger, micro USB cable, and a SIM injector. Well, it's actually nothing much from the unboxing itself. The display of the Redmi Note 4X is a 5.5-inch IPS LCD screen display of a resolution of 1080p. The display itself doesn't look too bad or unpleasant either. There's also a notification LED at the top next to the front-facing camera, which comes in a various different color LED, which Xiaomi nowadays do not have that option on the latest phone. Now, packed inside the Redmi Note 4X is a MediaTek Helio X20, 4GB of RAM, and it is in Deca-core 2.1 GHz. And there's a micro SD card expansion up to 256GB. And the base of the Redmi 4X comes with 64GB. For a Snapdragon variant, it's a Snapdragon 625. The base option is the 16GB or 32GB with 3GB of RAM, or a 64GB with 4GB of RAM. And it comes in octa-core 2.0 GHz, and there's a micro SD card expansion as well up to 256GB. The loudspeaker at the bottom sounds very clean but not very loud, but is not unpleasant either. The Redmi Note 4X rear camera has a 30MP sensor with an f-stop of 2.2. Photo comes out soft, the detail is there, but some is destroyed by noise. The dynamic range is fine and there's no OIS. The front-facing camera comes with 5MP sensor with an f-stop of 2.0. It captures enough details with just 5MP and has good color rendering. The good amount of noise presented in the selfies too, and if you are trying to snap a photo in low light, well, good luck with that.
Hey guys, this is actually a 1080p video test, and I couldn't see the screen well. Maybe that's one of the issues for this phone. I'm not sure the focus works. Maybe I should tap it. Yeah, I can see it taps the focus. You have the option of 2 focus, I can guess. And tell me what you guys think of the stabilization. Oh my god, there's so many birds. Okay. This is actually a front-facing test, and well, it's been me what you guys think. I think overall it looks pretty good. Okay, that's it. You know what? No, never mind. Okay. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think, I guess. Yeah.
Aside from that, thank you guys for watching and hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't, and do hit the notification bell as well. You'll get notified every single time I upload. This is Smart and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!